usually wooden logs will be of the shape of a cylinder or tapered cylinder. I think you are following. Usually wooden logs will be of the shape of a cylinder or a tapered cylinder. Now, if the log is of cylindrical shape, if a log is of a cylindrical shape, and if it is cut lengthwise, then what will be the shape of this section of the wood? If I cut it like this, what will be its shape? If it is in the shape of a cylinder, then let L be the length of the cylinder, these two are its ends, they will be circular in shape. If the log is cut lengthwise, then what will be the shape of its section? It will be rectangle. Instead, if it is in the shape of a tapered cylinder, that is tapering to if I take again the longitudinal section, what will be its shape? It will be in the shape of a trapezium. What is the formula for area of a trapezium? If B is the base, and A is the face, and if L is the length, then what is its area? A is equal to B plus A by 2 into L. If I take n sections, what will be the total area of saw? If I cut once, then the area of cut is A is equal to B plus A by 2 into L. If I cut it n times, then it will be n into B plus A by 2 into L. Now the chapter is over. Verse number? Yeah. Pinda yoga dalam agra mulayoho. Agra. This is agra. This is mula. Pinda yoga dalam agra mulayoho. Agra mula dala. Agra mula yoga dalam. Pinda yoga dalam agra mulayo. Dairgham sangunitam. Dairgham sangunitam, multiply by the length. Sangunitam angulatmakam. If the dimensions are in angular, then it will be square angular. The area obtained will be in square angular. Angulatmakam. Taruna pataihi samahatam. If the number of ways that is number of sa. Taruna pataihi samahatam, that is yan. Shat swareshu vihrutam karatmakam. Shat swara ishu. Shat Swara issue. How much it is? Shat Swara issue. It is equal to 5. 24 angula is equal to 1 hasta. Therefore, how many square angula is equal to 1 square hasta? 24 into 24. 576 square angula is equal to 1 square hasta. So, if we divide it by 576, it will give it square in measure of area in square hasta. Karatmakam, that is angulatmakam and karatmakam. If the dimensions are in angula units, if you multiply it, you obtain the result in square angulas. If you divide the result obtained in square angulas by 576, you obtain the result in square hastas, because 1 hasta is equal to 24 angulas. So 1 square hasta is equal to 576 square angulas. Next. Let anyone read it. Next, what is that? One second. Now, the width of the log at the base is 20 angula. B is equal to 20, and at the other end it is 60. A is equal to, its length L is equal to 100. You have to calculate the area of SA. So, B equal to 20, A equal to 60, L is equal to 100. So, what is the average width? Average width will be 20 plus 16 by 2, it is 18. Next, 18 into 100 will give in 1800 square inches, square angulas. Divided by 576, yield 25 by 2 square. Now consider a log of the shape of a parallelepiped instead of a cylindrical log. If we consider a wooden log of the shape of a parallelepiped, ayata ghana. Then, if I take lengthwise, it will be L into B. If I take crosswise, one is cross section area into number of saws. Now, krakacha means karagasa, that is saw. The instrument which is used for cutting wood is called krakacha. That's why krakacha vyavahara is nothing but which deals with the sawing, that's all. Next, verse number 225.
Chidyate tu yadi kirya guktavata pindi visvitahate phalambaga Ishtakaachiti drishadchiti krakachapya hridau bhadau mulyam karmakara janasam pratipatya tanridutvakan inatvavashena.
Now, if B is the width and D is the depth, then area is equal to B into D. If we take such n sections, then the total area will be n into A equal to B into D into n. Next verse. Verse number 226. Verse number 226. यत्र कोष्ठे पिण्डः षोडश तथा तद विस्तृतिः दन्तमितांगुलानि दंत how many dantas will be there? 32 dantamitanguलानि period navasu. If it is cut at 9 places, that is n is equal to 9. चेदेषु तत्र करात्मकं किं फलं स्यात् तत् मे प्रत्यक्ष. The wooden log is cut at 9 places. Yeah. Now, it is 32 angulas wide and 16 angulas depth. So, its area will be, cross-section area will be 32 into 16. It will be 512 square angulas. It is cut at 9 places. So 9 into 512 with so much of square angulas. 576 square angulas make 1 square hasta. So divide by 576, we obtain 8 square hastas. Usually the wages for saw was paid based on the quality of food. If wood is harder, then the rate given will be more than that for the wood of a soft kind. Those things are dealt with very well in Sridhara's Trishyatika. Now the chapter is over. To continue?
If you can, then I think we can continue for
verse number 214. Verse number 214. No, I need your help. Now this is concerned with the calculation of volume of excavations, that is digging. If the excavation is in the shape of a parallelepiped or trapezoidal shape, if let L1, L2, L3 be the lengths at some certain places, if L1, L2, L3 are the lengths, then what is the average length? L1 plus L2 plus L3 by 3. If B1, B2 and B3 are the breadths, then what is the average breadth? B1 plus B2 plus B3. If D1 plus B2 plus B3 are the depths, then average depth will be equal to D1 plus D2 plus D3. If you take any measure, the number of places where we measure, sum of those measures divided by the number of measures will be the average measure. That is the thing. Verse number 1. That is verse number 214. Read it again.
गणयित्वा विस्तारं बहुषु स्थानेषु तद्विदिर्भज्य स्थानकविद्या सममितिरेवं वैद्ये च वेदे च क्षेत्रफलं वेदगुणं खाते घनहस्तसंख्या स्यात्.
Now, गणयित्वा विस्तारं बहुषु स्थानेषु. You take as many numbers as possible. Then that's why you will obtain exact results. Bhavushu sthanesu tad yutim. Take their sum. Tad yutir bhajya sthanakamitya. The number of places where you take measurements. Samamitir evam. That means average. Evam comes up. What is evam? Dairikyam cha vedhe cha. Kshetraphalam vedhagunam. The square, that is area into height. Vedha means height. Kshetraphalam vedhagunam khate ghanahasta sankhya syat. Next verse. Verse number 215.
Bhujavakrtaya devyam dasheshakkarairitam trishu sthaneshu षड्पञ्च सप्तहस्ता च विंशतिः.
No, one second. Bhuja vakrya vakra means mukha, that is face. Dairyam dasha isha arka. Dasha isha arka. So dasha means 10, isha means 11, arka means 12. They are respectively, the measures are respectively 10, 11 and 12. Karamitam. Hasta. Next. What is the next sentence? Yasya khatasya vedhepi vi chatus trikaraha. Trishu sthaneshu, at 3 places. The Trishu sthaneshu shat pancha sapta. Shat, that is V1 is equal to 6, V2 is equal to 5 and V3 is equal to 7. Next, yasya khatasya vedhe, then heights are V chatu 3 karaha. Sakhe tatra khate kiyantaha syur ghanahasta pratyaksha. Find the average dimensions and also the volume. I think it is very, very easy. Next, 217.
मुखजतलजतद्युतिज क्षेत्रफलैक्यकृतं षट्भिः क्षेत्रफलं सममेव वेदहतं घनफलं स्पष्टं समघातफलत्रयक्षः सूचीघाते फलं भवति.
Which was number we are taking now? 217. Now, verse number 218. After 218, we shall come to 217. 218.
मुखे दशद्वादशमस्तुल्यं विस्तारयेयं कुतले तदर्थं यस्यासके सप्तकरश्च वेदः आघातसंख्या वद तत्र कूप्याः.
Now, mukha dasha dvadasha hasta tulyam. Breadth and depth are dasha and dvadasha. One is 10, another is 12. What will be the cross section area? 10 into 12. Next. Vistar tulyam vistara dairyam tu tale tadardham. So, at mukha and tala, mukha one side, tala other side. At the other end, if the dimensions are half of the one side, now at one side it is dasha and dwadasha. Tadardham means dasha dwadasha. How much it will be? 5 and 6. Talaja kshetrapala will be 10 into 12. Now mukhaja kshetrapala will be 10 into 12. No? And then talaja it will be 5 into 6. What we have to take? How to find the average? Mukhaja kshetrapala will be 12 into 10, that is 120. Talaja kshetrapala is 6 into 5, 30. Formula is mukha tala yutija kshetrapala. If the dimensions are equal to 12 plus 6 and 10 plus 5, then what will be the section area of the section? 12 plus 6 into 10 plus 5, it will be 270. This is mukhaja kshetrapala. This is talaja kshetrapala. This is mukha tala yutija kshetrapala. I think everyone is following. Mukhaja kshetrapala, that is kshetrapala obtained by the dimensions of the mukha. Talaja kshetrapala, cross section area obtained by the dimensions of the tala. Mukha tala yutija kshetrapala. If you take the sum of the dimensions of the tala and mukha, and if you take the area generated by those dimensions, that is called as mukha tala yutija kshetrapala. To know the average area, what is the formula? Mukhaja kshetrapala plus talaja kshetrapala plus tala yutija kshetrapala, mukha tala yutija kshetrapala divided by 6. It will be 120 plus 30 plus 270 by 60. It will be 70 chaturahastas. Now, this is the average area. If the depth is 7 units, then its volume will be 70 into 7, it will be 490 ghanahastas. Now, these three formulas are stated in the earlier verse 217. We shall go to 217. Mukhaja talaja tad yutija kshetrapalaikyam kritam shadbihi. So, area of mukhaja kshetrapala, talaja kshetrapala, mukha talaja yutija kshetrapala, taking the sum divided by shadbihi. Kshetrapalam samamevam, that is the average area. That average area Vedahatam multiplied by the depth or height. Vedahatam spashtam sama khata phalam gramshaha suchi khate phalam bhavati. This is in case of regular parallelepipeds. If we consider pyramids having the same area equal to that of a parallelepipeds, then that volume will be 1/3 of the V. If capital V is the volume of a parallelepiped, then a pyramid having the same area and same shape, and then the volume of that pyramid will be, if small v is the volume of the pyramid, then area of the pyramid will be 1/3 the volume of the parallelepiped. Samakhata phala kramshaha suchi khate phalam bhavate. Here suchi khate is the term used for the pyramid. So, any doubts about this verse? So, Khata Vyavahara is complete. So, in this session we have completed two chapters. One Prakacha Vyavahara and another Khata Vyavahara. Vedatam. So, one it has gone. Verse number 220? 217. Vedatam Khanaphalam. Khanaphalam is left there, yeah. Thank you. Khanaphalam Spashta. Here the word Khanaphala is missing.
Sir, average समखात व्यवस्थित तस्य त्रयंशः करके
क्या प्राप्त होगा Let this be a parallelepiped. This is a pyramid. If these two areas are equal, that is length, breadth is equal to breadth, depth is equal to depth. This is a parallelepiped and this is a pyramid of the same height. If this is V and if this is V, then V is equal to V by 3. Triametron. That's it. So, I think we shall stop here. Any doubts? No doubts. It is elementary mathematics.